They're generating new ideas all the time, being creative. So I don't know if there's anything that they can improve on except just to keep moving forward and stay creative.
They're trying to stay, I believe, you know, kind of at the cutting edge of kind of what everybody's wanting right now with the splash pads, and they built a great product.
They got a lot of nice products that they're coming up with, and a lot that they've produced. We went through and they've made a different style of skimmer with a little bit more angle on it, and they're really working on everything they can work on.
Their release of the Backfill Eliminator, I think, is a great example of them thinking about the industry and the people in the industry and the people out in the field. And this is something that we have been asking for years from multiple manufacturers, and it's nice to know that we're actually being heard at Thursday Pools. And not just being heard, but a process was put in place, something was developed, and it's available, and all within a relatively short amount of time.